In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the EA servers are unavailable right now error and the unable to connect to EA servers error in EA Sports FC 26 on PC. Co-op keeps failing, matchmaking is stuck on connecting, or you are getting random network errors. This video will fix it. Many players are facing co-op connection failed, unable to join session, failed to connect to server, and online features not working after recent Windows and Steam updates. In this video, I will show you proven fixes that work on Windows 10 and Windows 11 for PC players. Watch till the end because the final steps fix the issue even when nothing else works. Check online servers. Quick reality check. Before changing anything on your PC, first confirm the servers are online. If servers are down, no fix will work. Open your browser and check server status from official sources or Steam discussions. Open the EA server status page using the link provided in the video description. Find EA Sports FC 26 in the list. If you see any outage or server issue, you will have to wait until EA fixes the problem. If all servers are online, continue with the next steps. If servers are working, move to the next step. 1. Basic network checks. If servers are fine, let's check your own connection. Restart your router or modem to clear cached network errors. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection whenever possible. Wi-Fi is much more prone to spikes and packet loss. If you must use Wi-Fi, make sure you're on the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz. Pause background apps like OneDrive, Dropbox, Steam downloads, or Windows updates while gaming. These eat bandwidth and cause stutter in co-op. Check time and date. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time, and enable Set Time automatically. This prevents Xbox authentication mismatches. Clear Xbox credentials. Press Win+R, type Ctrl-Keymger.dll, and hit Enter. Remove any stored credentials for xboxlive.com or Microsoft. Restart your PC and log in fresh. Repair and reset the game. Right-click the game in the Xbox app. Select Manage Files, Verify and Repair. Reinstall gaming services via PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator and run this command. Get axe package Microsoft.gaming services remove axe package, alusers. Start MS Windows Store, //pdp/ producted equals 9mwpm2cqnlhn. This reinstalls Xbox gaming services from the Microsoft Store. Fix 7, flushdns and reset network. Open command prompt as admin and run. IP protocol configuration /flushdns. netsh winsock reset. Restart your PC after this. 4. Network and NT type check. Test your connection. Windows. Press Windows+R, type CMD, hit Enter, then run. Ping google.com. Aim for low ping and no packet loss. Check NT type. Select Settings, Network and Internet. Advanced Network Settings. Network Reset. Reset now. If NT is moderate or strict. Enable UPnP or port forwarding. If your NT type is strict or moderate, that's your problem. Fix it. Log into your router using the IP address shown in your network status, usually 192.168.1.1. Enable UPnP, universal plug and play if available. If not, manually forward these ports. TCP 3074, 27014 to 27050. UDP 3074, 3478 to 3480, 4379 to 4380, 27,000 to 27,031, 27036. Save settings and reboot your router. Then relaunch the game and check your NT type. It should now show as open or type 1, which eliminates most connection loss errors. Verify game files. Steam. Right-click the game. Library properties, installed files verify integrity. Microsoft Store /Xbox app. Right-click the game, manage files, verify and repair. This will replace any corrupted authentication-related files. 6. Disable VPNs, proxies, and overlays. A servers sometimes block VPN IP ranges. In Windows Settings, Network and Internet Proxy, make sure it's off. Also disable overlays from Discord, NVIDIA, or Xbox Game Bar while troubleshooting. 7. Change your DNS for faster connections. Open network connections, right-click your active network properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, properties. Use these Google DNS servers. Preferred, 8.8.8.8. Alternate, 8.8.4.4. Restart your PC after saving. 8. Force NT type open. If you still face joining issues, your NT might be strict or moderate. Open command prompt and run. netsh interface teredo show state. If it says offline, run this. netsh interface teredo set state type equals enterprise client. Restart, then check your NT again. You can also enable UPnP in your router's admin page to automatically open required ports. 9. Restart network services. Fix hidden connection bugs. Network services can silently break co-op. Press Windows + R. Type services.msc. Find and restart. Windows Update. Background Intelligent Transfer Service. DNS Client. Network List Service. Restart your PC after this. 10. Disable VPN, proxy, and DNS filters. Major cause of matchmaking fail. If you are using VPN, proxy, adblock DNS, custom DNS apps, turn them off completely. Now open command prompt as administrator and run. IP protocol configuration /flushdns. netsh winsock reset. netsh and IP reset. Restart your PC. 11. Port forwarding for stable co-op. This is a powerful fix for co-op disconnects. Open your router settings and forward these ports. Steam ports. UDP 27,000 to 27,100. TCP 27,015 to 27,050. Network stability. UDP 30,000 to 31,000. Restart your router after saving. Steam network repair. Close Steam completely. Press Windows + R. Paste. Steam //flushconfig. Log in again. Restart Steam. This resets broken Steam matchmaking services. Clean DNS cache from router level. Restart your router and modem fully. Power off both devices. Wait 2 minutes. Power on modem. Wait for full connection. Power on router. This refreshes public IP routing and fixes failed co-op joins. Test hotspot connection. ISP issue check. Connect your PC to your mobile hotspot and try co-op. If co-op works on hotspot, your ISP is blocking ports or NT type is strict. This confirms the root cause and helps your viewers diagnose faster. Fix corrupt Windows network components. Open command prompt as administrator and run. sfc/scannow. dsm/online/cleanup image/restore health. Restart PC after completion. Prevent router QoS throttling. In router settings, disable QoS or bandwidth control temporarily. QoS sometimes limits P2P traffic used by games co-op. Ultimate fix if nothing works. If you've tried everything and the error still pops up, here's the ultimate solution. Create a new local Windows user account and link your Xbox/Microsoft Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox accounts because it clears hidden corrupt account tokens. Now launch the game. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you fix the EA servers are unavailable or unable to connect to EA servers error in EA Sports FC 26. If you still face issues, drop your problem in the comments and I will help you fix it. And if you want more real PC fixes like this, make sure you stay connected, because the next fix might save your entire gaming experience.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.